Today's video is about the opening of the 2023 tax season. January 23rd, the last Monday here, was the beginning of the 2023 tax season, and the IRS allowed you to file your 2022 tax return. Now, this is a great time of year for the tax industry. We're all excited about this because it's the new year here, and we're going to be going through the same process we do every single year. In January, your income information is reported to the IRS. You start getting the mail and notices from your employers about all the income that you made and what you have to report to the IRS. Normally people start gathering all the documents, meeting with their advisors on what to do, and then getting returns filed. And you can do that as of January 23rd. The IRS is expecting about 168 million returns this year, and so they have a lot of work ahead of them, but they just hired a lot of people, so hopefully that should help things out. Now, again, file, file, file. You have to file every year. If you made income, file a return. Do not wait on this. There's no need to miss the filing deadline. It's not something new that occurs. It's every year, it's the same thing. File your tax return. That's more important here in our industry of having a tax issue is compliance. You have to remain compliant with your filing. That means that if you've been good all the time and now this new year's here and you miss it, you don't file, you're in trouble again. There's no need for that. It is far better to file a return and owe a balance than to not file a return. All right, that's tax evasion. We don't need that. So make sure you file, file, file. Even if money is an issue, if you can't file a tax return because you don't have the money to hire somebody to do it for you, that's fine. There are tons of free services out there. The IRS even has one, the free file, where you can go ahead and file a tax return through the IRS online, e-file it, not pay anyone, and get your return on file. File your tax return. Again, compliance is the biggest issue. Make sure you file by this year's April 18th deadline. All right. If you're in a natural disaster area, you got some more time. They pushed it till May 15th. There's been a lot of natural disasters recently, especially here in California where we're at. So make sure you look that up. It might have a little more time there that the government gave you to get the return on file, but you don't have to wait till the last day. You can file today. File today. With that, make sure you have all your income documents and that you're ready to file. You don't want to file something prematurely. However, once you have everything gathered and you're sure of it, go ahead and get things filed. If you do not file and you miss compliance, then you have a tax problem, and that's where we again can step in. We can help you with your tax return filing, and if you missed it or there's an issue or you're not getting a refund or you have a large balance there, if there is a tax problem, we can help out. Give us a call, 800-822-4122, or go to our website, www.taxdebtservices.com. Thank you.